So raccoon domestication may be a total sham, but that doesn't mean there aren't still magical things about raccoons that you probably don't know. Like, did you know that our raccoons aren't the only species of raccoon? You see, the raccoons from Canada down to the middle of Panama are common raccoons. Scientific name Procyon loader. And then from mid-Costa Rica down to Argentina, you have the crab-eating raccoon, Procyon cancrovorus. Although I prefer their other common name, the South American raccoon, because these raccoons don't eat any more crabs than common raccoons. And the raccoon species that actually eats the most crabs is the most magical raccoon of all. And that is the pygmy raccoon, also known as the Cozumel raccoon, the dwarf raccoon, or by its scientific name, Procyon pygmaeus. Pygmy raccoons are only found on the island of Cozumel, Mexico, and they are critically endangered. There are less than 200 of them left in the wild, and I am currently the only American citizen researching them in a formal capacity. The welfare of the pygmy raccoon is a big reason why I'm so concerned about this inaccurate raccoon domestication study. Because people, tourists specifically, feeding and touching them is a big problem. And my research shows that whether folks know that they're critically endangered or not, it doesn't matter. They're still going to be touching them and feeding them. What really impacts how people interact with these raccoons is social cues. And if they receive cues from authority figures, like the professor of that raccoon domestication study who was going on the news saying that raccoons were becoming domesticated, well, people take that as a cue that it's acceptable to get up close and personal with raccoons. It doesn't even matter if it's the same species. If y'all want to know more about the critically endangered pygmy raccoon and my research with them, I do have a whole playlist called Endangered Raccoons that y'all can watch. Not a whole lot of people know about these guys, so I really want to get the word out.